Welcome guys to Devrimo's channel. Today actually we're going to show you guys the 4 data points for the weather research mission. So we're going to show you guys where exactly to go, what to do, and find all the 4 locations to scan and get the data.
I'm going on top of my house.
What a silly Billy. So with the clouds, okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to the first place, which is the downtown building. No, downtown, I don't know. It's like a high rise, the blue high rise. So if you guys go on the blue high rise, you're going to see that there's going to be the first location. So Devrim is going up there right now.
I'm gonna do the data happy. And I did 1 out of 4.
Yeah, and then we got to do like 3 more. So let's go to the next one. The next one is actually right here. It's, what is it called? The
laboratory.
It's called the Observatory, not the laboratory. It's the Observatory. So Devrim's going to use again his clouds to get all the way from here over there. He's been using this cloud thing for the entire time since he's had it. It's really convenient to get around with it. So you go to the observatory and then you're gonna scan there as well. So this is the second location that you can go to, and I'll show you guys where it is on the map as well, which you will see on the screen.
I'm almost there.
You're almost there. But you've there you are. Now we're going to the third location, which is
A bridge.
that's right. And so why are you taking the boat?
Because it's fast.
Yeah.
I'm going so fast that sometimes the hunt is really
Yeah, that's right. So now we're going up on the bridge here, to the bridge. It's up on the mountain, guys. So you got to go up there, and as you can see here, it does scan again. Right here. And so we got number 3 out of 4. And now let's go to the very last one.
I'm gonna take a helicopter.
That's smart. Just to get there faster, right?
Yeah.
But what was the last one? The last one was...
A cave in the mountain.
Oh, that's right. It's the cave in the mountains. And so there's like some sort of elevator that you can take up.
Yeah. I just blow up my helicopter.
Okay, now we're gonna go up. And then once we go up there, that's gonna be the 4th one. So you can take the elevator here.
And it will scan again.
So here you scan, and that's number 4 out of 4. If you want all 4, this is exactly what you got to do. And now we're going to go back to the research center.
More like fall down.
More like fall down, yeah. So now drive to the research center and then talk to the gentleman. And there's going to be one more mission to do. But then at the research center, there is also a gift that we're going to show you guys how to get. So where exactly is it, Devrim?
It's at the weather area.
Yeah. So this door you can't open.
You can't open. So we have to go upstairs. And then there's an open. You get.
Yeah, the
Which
present
was
is right.
spiky hair.
That's a spiky hair, which is really it's a really cool hairstyle. So now we go in there and talk to the person. And so as you see, we have all 4 locations. Wow, you actually came back. A lot of volunteers don't. Okay, that's cool. and we got all the data. And the last data that we're gonna do that in the next video, guys. It's gonna be another video, so like and follow, and don't miss the next video about the very last one where we're actually gonna go into the tornado, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks guys, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.